In this video, let's talk about how to use the Bank of America checking account benefits. So if you're trying to open up a checking account within Bank of America or already have an account within, in this video, let me show you a few benefits that you get. Now you can easily access your account either using the web version, which is bankofamerica.com, or if you have the application, you can also head over to it. The main benefits that you get within the checking account is you get customized cashback deals. You can eliminate any sort of account fees because checking account does not have any fees associated with it, as well as you can tap into the relationship based BOFA rewards. So if you want to get different rewards such as cashbacks, or you can redeem these points for travel or restaurants as well, or cafes and restaurants as well, you also do have this feature. You can also unlock these built-in benefits directly through the banking application as well as the mobile app as well. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.